Are you always on the lookout for the latest and greatest tech gadgets? Look no further. In this video, we showcase 10 of the coolest gadgets available on Amazon right now. From innovative kitchen appliances to high-tech accessories, these gadgets are guaranteed to impress and make your life easier. So get ready to discover the best tech gadgets you never knew you needed. Number 10, DJI Avatar. Recent years have seen a significant rise in the popularity of first-person view drones. These one-of-a-kind devices provide you the most realistic experience possible of flying like a bird by enabling you to put on a headset and control a drone from a first-person perspective. The most recent iteration of this technology, known as the DJI Avatar, has been made available by DJI. It is constructed to be more long-lasting and to be ready for any accidents that may occur. You can take control of it through the use of a controller or a joystick that simulates the movements of your hand. It also comes equipped with a plethora of useful capabilities, such as the capability to create custom routes, follow a person or vehicle, and return to the initial location if it wanders too far away. Number 9. Beeline Velo 2. Attempting to handle automobiles, people, and lanes while simultaneously following your location on your phone with a muddled navigation system is a stressful experience unlike any other. If you're trying to go about a city on a bike, you've probably already experienced this tension. Unfortunately, the Velo 2 bicycle computer is unable to relocate the automobiles and people that are in your way, but it can make navigation easier. This tiny circular device may be attached to your bike, and it will provide you with easy navigation instructions that have been developed from recording actual travels taken by people. You may also check the time, mileage traveled, and arrival time, as well as track your speed. Number 8. DJI Osmo Mobile 6. When it comes to camera equipment, DJI has established itself as a market leader by manufacturing a wide range of products, including action cameras, drones, and accessories. One of their most recent products is called the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, and it is a gimbal that can be used in conjunction with a smartphone. This will allow you to shoot smooth video even if you are running, driving, or otherwise throwing yourself around while you are filming, since it will balance out any movement you make while you are filming. You are able to smoothly track a subject using the Active Track 5.0 software that is provided by DJI. This allows you to maintain the subject in frame, even while they are moving about. A multitude of buttons for zooming, cinematic blurring, and other effects that are analogous to these are also included on the gimbal. Number 7. Amazon Smart Plug. The Smart Plug sold by Amazon is intended to provide smooth connectivity with the virtual assistant Alexa. It is also really simple to set up. All you have to do is connect it to a power outlet, and Alexa will immediately recognize it as a new device. Once you've connected everything, all you have to do is ask your smart assistant to turn the lights and appliances on and off for you. Alternatively, you can program them to turn on and off at specific times, creating the impression that someone is there in the house even when nobody is there. Number 6. Amazon Echo Frames. Second generation. Consider purchasing Amazon's very own set of smart glasses, which are known as the Echo Frames. These eyeglasses are ideal for tech enthusiasts who rely heavily on Alexa on a daily basis. You can ask this pair of Bluetooth glasses equipped with Amazon's Alexa speech assistant to do things like play your favorite song, switch on the lights in your living room, or start your robot vacuum cleaner with just the click of a button. Alexa is built inside Amazon's Echo Smart Speakers. The eyeglasses are available in 3 unique hues, which are traditionally black, contemporary tortoise, and horizon blue respectively. In addition to being easy to wear, lightweight, and resistant to moisture, you may also utilize prescription lenses with these glasses. They have a battery life of 14 hours before they need to be recharged. Number 5. BenjiLock TSA Fingerprint Padlock. It is essential in today's society to keep your valuables safe when traveling and to take precautions to increase their security. The majority of individuals have abandoned traditional door locks in favor of fingerprint door locks because they consider the traditional door locks to be old-school things. The BenjiLock TSA Fingerprint Padlock is an extremely useful product. It is easy to use, and the programming is straightforward. You will be relieved to have the great sensation that your luggage is secure at all times. This model is an excellent option for those of us who enjoy traveling quite a bit and wish to do it more frequently. The rapid increase in demand for this particular piece of equipment can be attributed to a wide variety of factors. It can be used in a variety of situations and is simple to operate. This remarkable valuable lock comes with a keypad that can be reset, which may be used as an additional method for unlocking it. The user has the option of either using the device's default pre-programmed passcode or instead programming it with a 3-digit code that is completely unique to them. However, use the passcode in case the reader does not function properly. Number 4. Mini Presso Portable Espresso Machine. The Mini Presso GR, manufactured by Wakako, is an extremely convenient and transportable espresso maker. You may grind your own coffee beans to produce the drink whenever and wherever you need to use this espresso maker because it comes with a grinder. Take a look at how nice the product appears. The ergonomics are something that appealed to me. This stylish espresso maker is one of the travel gadgets that just cannot be left behind, thanks to its portability and its user-friendliness. This gizmo must be in your travel bag at all times, whether you are going to the freezing temperatures of New York or the scorching heat of Arizona. In addition to this, the espresso machine has a cup built right into it, which is sure to come in handy at some point. This amazing gizmo has a price tag of just under $50, but it will be well worth the money. Number 3. Tile Pro. Do you frequently lose track of where you placed your keys? Misplaced cell phones? It is now very simple to locate them. You can find your keys, phones, pets, bags, toys, and the list goes on with this incredibly clever Bluetooth tracker that can locate them all. Check to see where you had it most recently, because the user-friendly and cost-free tile software remembers the last time and location it encountered your tile. You will always know where to hunt for it in the event that you misplaced it. Find your phone. Can't seem to track down your phone? You can make your phone ring, even if it's on quiet, by just pressing the button on your TileMate twice in quick succession. When it's in the vicinity, you can use your smartphone to make your Tile Pro sound an alarm. You can't find the tile where you last put it, can you? You have the option of remaining anonymous when soliciting assistance from the tile community. It has been estimated that over 5 million tile devices have been sold, making it the largest lost and found network in the world. Number 2. Vacarco Portable Vacuum Sealer. The Vacarco Vacuum Sealer is meant to reduce space while simultaneously preserving the food's natural flavor and freshness. It surrounds the food in a barrier that prevents air and moisture from getting in, while also preventing oxygen from getting in. This prevents the flavors from escaping while extending their freshness. As a result of its ability to preserve food while also preserving its nutrients, it can keep food fresh for up to 5 times longer than it would otherwise. Because you have a vacuum sealer, you will no longer have to deal with the inconvenience of dealing with veggies and fruits that are mushy, wilting, or gritty. You aren't only restricted to food when it comes to compressing items. You can also do this with clothes to make more room in your luggage. In contrast to food, garments won't be preserved in their original state lol. Number 1. ULH. Your camera will benefit greatly from having ULH as an additional attachment. We decided to highlight it here after our video on camera accessories on YouTube went popular, and consumers actually seem to prefer this device to the many others that were included in that video. When it comes to the ultimate lens hood, is a lens hood, and as the name suggests, its purpose is to protect your camera. This handy device does more than only keep you safe. It also makes it easier to shoot images without any reflections. If you were to snap a photograph through a piece of glass, for instance, there is a very good chance that the resulting image would include some reflections. Utilizing this device enables you to eliminate the reflections in their entirety. We have no doubt that this hood is of use to a great number of photographers. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.